The year is 2024. Electric cars are everywhere. They zip through city streets, silently gliding past pedestrians and other vehicles. Charging stations are as common as gas stations once were, a testament to how far we've come in such a short time. But rewind a decade or so and things were different. Gasoline cars dominated the roads, their engines roaring and exhausts spewing fumes. The idea of an electric car was more of a novelty than a norm, a distant dream for most. Enter the Tesla Model S, a bold statement, a luxury sedan that promised not just a ride but an experience. It was sleek, elegant, and packed with cutting-edge technology. It wasn't just another car, it was a revolution on wheels, a car that dared to be different. With its aerodynamic design and innovative features, it stood out in a market saturated with conventional vehicles. It was a breath of fresh air, a glimpse into the future of automotive design. Tesla, the brainchild of Elon Musk, wasn't just building cars. They were crafting a vision that extended beyond the confines of traditional automotive manufacturing. Musk's ambition was to create a sustainable future, one where electric cars were the norm, not the exception. They were building a vision that involved not just cars but a complete ecosystem of renewable energy solutions. From solar panels to energy storage systems, Tesla was laying the groundwork for a greener, more sustainable world. A vision of a future powered by electricity, not gasoline. A future where our energy needs are met by the sun and the wind rather than fossil fuels. The Model S was a crucial part of this vision, a beacon of what was possible. The Model S was the flag bearer of this revolution. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement that said, the future is here, and it's electric. It combined luxury with sustainability, performance with efficiency. It turned heads with its sleek design and jaw-dropping performance. With a range that rivaled gasoline cars and acceleration that left sports cars in the dust, the Model S proved that electric cars could be both practical and exhilarating. More importantly, it made people think. It challenged preconceived notions about what an electric car could be. It showed that sustainability didn't have to come with expensive performance or luxury. Could this be the future of driving? The Model S made a compelling case. With its advanced autopilot features and seamless integration of technology, it offered a glimpse into a world where driving was not just a necessity, but a pleasure. The answer, it seems, is a resounding yes. The Tesla Model S has not only redefined what a car can be, but it has also paved the way for a future where electric vehicles are the standard, not the exception. The journey has just begun, and the road ahead looks promising. The first thing you notice about the Model S is its presence. It's not just a car, it's a statement. The sleek, modern lines draw your eye immediately, and you can't help but be impressed by its commanding stance on the road. This isn't your average family car. It's a blend of luxury and performance, designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Whether it's parked in a quiet neighborhood or cruising down a busy street, the Model S stands out. It's low, wide, and athletic. The car's proportions are perfectly balanced, giving it a poised and ready-to-pounce look. The low center of gravity not only enhances its sporty appearance but also improves handling and stability. It looks fast standing still. Even when it's parked, the Model S exudes a sense of speed and agility. The design elements work together to create a dynamic and energetic presence. The design is all about aerodynamics. Every curve and contour has been meticulously crafted to reduce drag and improve efficiency. The headlights are sleek and modern, adding to the car's futuristic look. Smooth lines and a sloping roofline cheat the wind. The roofline flows seamlessly into the rear of the car, creating a cohesive and elegant silhouette. This not only enhances the car's appearance but also contributes to its impressive range and performance. The door handles sit flush with the body, popping out with a futuristic flourish when you approach. No unnecessary grills here. The clean, minimalist design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, emphasizing the car's modern and innovative nature. This is an electric car, after all. The absence of a traditional engine allows for a more streamlined design, and the charging port is seamlessly integrated into the car's body. The electric badge proudly displays the car's eco-friendly credentials. It doesn't need to breathe air like those old-fashioned petrol guzzlers. The lack of a front grille not only sets it apart from conventional cars but also improves aerodynamics and efficiency. The result is a car that looks like it's from the future. And frankly, it is. The Model S represents the cutting edge of automotive design and technology, offering a glimpse into what the future of transportation could look like. It's a car that not only meets the demands of today but also anticipates the needs of tomorrow. Forget everything you know about car interiors, the Model S is a different beast. Open the door, and you're greeted by a minimalist cabin that wouldn't look out of place in a spaceship. The centerpiece is the massive 17-inch touchscreen. It controls everything: climate control, navigation, music, even the panoramic sunroof. No fiddling with buttons or knobs here. The seats are comfortable and supportive, perfect for long journeys. The panoramic roof floods the cabin with light, creating an airy and spacious feel. It's a truly luxurious and futuristic space. Right, let's talk about the fun stuff. The Model S is ludicrously quick. Put your foot down and it takes off like a scalded cat. The electric motors deliver instant torque. That means no lag, no waiting for the engine to catch up, just pure, exhilarating acceleration. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The Model S handles surprisingly well too. The low center of gravity and balanced weight distribution make it agile and responsive. This is a car that's as happy carving up a mountain road as it is cruising on the highway. Section 5. Silence and Speed, the Electric Drive Experience. Driving an electric car is, well, a unique experience. There's no engine noise, just a faint hum from the electric motors. It's eerily quiet at first, but you soon get used to it. The lack of noise adds to the sense of refinement. It's incredibly relaxing to drive in silence, especially in heavy traffic. And of course, there are the environmental benefits. No tailpipe emissions here. The Model S is proof that electric cars can be both exciting and environmentally friendly. It's the best of both worlds. Section 6. A glimpse into the future. Autopilot and Technology. The Model S isn't just an electric car, it's a rolling tech showcase. One of the most talked about features is Autopilot. This advanced driver assistance system can steer, accelerate, and brake the car on the highway. It's not fully autonomous driving, but it's a taste of things to come. Then there's the over-the-air software updates. The car is constantly learning and improving. New features and improvements are beamed directly to the car over the internet. It's like having a smartphone on wheels. Section 7. Charging forward, battery life and range. Of course, the big question with any electric car is range. How far can you go on a single charge? The Model S offers impressive range figures depending on the battery pack you choose. Real-world range will vary depending on driving style and conditions, but even on long journeys, range anxiety is unlikely to be a major issue. Tesla has built an extensive network of supercharger stations across the country. These high-speed chargers can replenish the battery in minutes, making long-distance travel a breeze. Section 8. Owning the road safety and reliability. Safety is paramount in any car, and the Model S is no exception. It has consistently earned top safety ratings from independent testing bodies. The electric powertrain eliminates many of the components that can go wrong in a traditional car, and with fewer moving parts, there's less that can break down. Of course, no car is perfect, but the Model S has a reputation for reliability that's on par with, if not better than, many established luxury brands. Section 10. The Electric Revolution, Tesla's Impact on the Industry. The Tesla Model S didn't just change the game, it rewrote the rulebook. It forced the established automakers to sit up and take notice of electric cars. Before the Model S, electric cars were seen as slow, ugly, and impractical. Tesla proved that they could be desirable, stylish, and fun to drive. The Model S has paved the way for a new generation of electric cars from both established brands and startups. The future of driving is electric, and Tesla started the revolution. Section 11. The future is electric. Conclusion. The Tesla Model S is more than just a car. It's a symbol of innovation, progress, and a more sustainable future. It's a car that has captured the imagination of the world. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, it's not perfect, but it's a glimpse into the future of driving. A future where cars are electric, intelligent, and exhilarating. The Model S is a car that makes you feel good about driving again. It's a car that makes you excited about the future, and that's what makes it truly special.